guys. Okay, first of all we open the check. Open this one. Okay, and now we open the main guy. Okay, very good. Okay, what next? We need to close this one and not to close the check when we fill in the oil. So we close this guy. Okay, now we open this one. Here's this one to fill our oil in. Okay. Alright. A few moments. And we're good. Okay. We're ready to fill in our oil. We have the pump right here. And we looking at the check one. As the oil goes down, we just need to close it. That's it. That's it, guys.